Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be lagging apparently. We're gonna be trying to get this out. Yeah, I'm recording it.
Why? Because I'll hear.
Yeah, shush. No, speaking game. Talking game, if you're gonna talk.
Okay!
Shut up, they can't hear us.
Shh, they can't hear us.
They can't hear us above here.
Oh shit!
Go, move in!
Are you dead?
Oh, go, boy! Attack!
Alright, let's go.
We all go take the spot.
Let's go.
Take the bridge.
Take the bridge, yeah. My big black boy. My big black boy. My big black boy.
We love you.
We love you, big black boy.
Too good to me.
Big black boy. We love you.
Black boy,
My lord, I need PP.
Black boy. Can you sign my nipples? Can you sign my nipples?
Oh, remember your training, boys. Remember your training.
Black man.
Remember your training for black man. Just need these guys. Okay, I went to grab it.
What the hell is going on? I killed them both. I killed them, so I did it. I just killed both of the death troopers. I killed them both.
Yeah, we're going.
Oh wait, ISP's left wide open, boys. It's left wide open. This is.
Get in there. Let's get in there.
We have to go.
Oh, hello, shit.
You do not. Actually, do not do that.
Oh my lord. We're killing it. Move out. We shouldn't have killed them. We should have left.
Oh no.
You should have left them so they went to debrief and we were all on our own.
Oh, where's debrief? I forgot. Knee high. I don't know where debrief is. Hello, buddy. I can't get back. Oh, I can't get back. Oh, I'm talking to my friend Discord. Oh, yes we are. I already checked. No, it's not. I'm going there now. The second row. I'll do it for you. Which one's you? Well.
Gun away.
Yeah, I see.
SG, gun away and show your ID.
Can I go through?
This is quite a... Show your ID, bro.
Alright, which one are you?
Alright, anyways, let's make this quick before it's interrupted further.
Which one are you?
This person here is one of the first people that have come to the server. He originally tried out for a commander position and he tried out again.
You want me to shoot you?
Of course he couldn't come on at the time, so he just passed his commander trial.
Yeah!
No, no, no.
I love you, by the way. Okay, actually, no more killing now.
Yes, no, no, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Okay, good, and then...
Yeah, let's go, let's go. I love that. Hyperdrive, yeah. We're gonna get banned. I know. Talking game. No, talking game, I'm recording. Talk in game, I'm recording, man.
Get it now. Okay. So, the plan is... Okay, now, you're gonna listen to the plan, okay? The plan is, right, now we're not gonna hit the button straight up. Now, as soon as we hit the button, we hide it here. Look, like, we hide it here.
There's some banners in there. Do we shoot?
Okay, now it's just... No. There it is. It's a mighty button. Now you know what to do.
Nah, you don't know. No, you don't. What are you doing? I'm doing. Shh. Speaking game. Yes, otherwise the viewers can't hear you.
Okay, since they're completely retarded, right, they would never find us. Oh, shh, go.
Shh. Get ready to shoot. No, just go, hello, bang. No, they can hear me if I don't use my mic. Okay. Yeah. This is great, man, this is great. I'm talking to my friend over Discord, by the way, so... This is a real relationship. What? Yes. We're gonna turn off the engine. Alright, let's go.
Alright, buttons. Alright, no, you follow me,
No, I know a way.
Over here. How are you today, evening?
Turtles are gay. Yeah, come on.
Gonna go down here. Oh, okay, we'll walk away.
Go the long way, go the long way. Oh no.
That's what we're gonna do.
There's gonna be people checking the engine room. We have to run now. Yeah, speaking chat. Wait, shh. I know it's a bad thing. Speaking game.
Okay, we must wait for the engine room. Must wait till the engine rooms are like empty shit. So I recommend us hiding right here. Now it's a bit pain in the ass, but this is the thing.
Yes.
Must stay low. Frosty, lower your weapon, okay? Have your hands out better. I want to see a giant knob in your guest. So, you... This is a serious mission. Okay,
yes, but I'm never serious.
I talk now. Since I am a commander of the retarded group.
Excuse me?
Okay.
I clearly started this.
And you're second in
We're the only two people retarded.
I lead everyone to breath.
I told you the idea. That's because there are only 2 people on the group. Stuff, this is gonna be too long.
I know you're a ringer. It's okay. I love you, I'm sorry.
Don't.
Love it.
Come here, Ringer.
Okay, shh. Stop reloading! Shh. Doctor. Talking to
Is someone around in the prison? Okay, I saw someone. Yeah, speaking game.
Okay, since we're gonna wait here long enough, right? We have attacked the Sith temple, okay? Because the Sith are weak, right? We are strong men. White people are strong. Black people, they're stronger.
No racist.
Okay, black people are always strong. Okay, if we have one black eye, the entire cell will be dead in 1 second. Now, since
alright guys, that's the end of the video.
I am